In CPSC 12th standard exercise 6.5, they asked to verify the given one function f of x equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. What is a maximum, what is a minimum? Simple, don't apply it by saying maximum, minimum. So every function have how much able to give maximum, how much able to give minimum. For example, there is one bike, what is the maximum speed, what is the minimum speed? It's like this that. So if we have a gear bike, if you go to first gear, what is the maximum speed? So what is second gear like that? So every function have a maximum or minimum. If ATM center, we take ATM machine, it give maximum amount 2000 rupees. Now it possible now is 500 rupees only, maximum 500 rupees, minimum 100 rupees. So the ATM machine working, minimum with 100, maximum with 500. So like that, the f of x function, how much give maximum value, what is the minimum value? They ask what is the maximum and minimum value. So how to find? So without applying differential calculus. So just generally in lower class answer, how to find? Simple. First take the x term. Here what is a variable? Here x is a variable. Take the variable term alone. So I am taking the variable term. This is only the variable term. This is only the constant term. So variable term 2x minus 1 the whole square. So instead of x I can substitute any value. It may be a positive, it may be a negative. So I go check. So x I take in a real number. So real means all the positive, all the negative, everything will come. You can even substitute decimal number also, no problem instead of x. So whatever is substitute here, even though substitute negative number, for example minus 2. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Here whole square is there. So finally I go and get only the positive number. So there is no get water. Even 0, even substitute 1 here, what will come? 2. You substitute 1, 2 minus 1 will come. So in x term, instead of x you substitute any value. If you want check, no problem. Substitute minus 1, what will come? So minus 2 minus 1 the whole square become a minus 3 square become what? 9. Even though substitute 0, minus 1 the whole square, what will come? 0 minus 1 the whole square become what will come? 1 will come. Then substitute 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you can able to eliminate. So 1 minus 1 the whole square equal to 0. So all the values 0, 1, 9. So positively I am going to get. So entire the x term, instead of x order value I can able to substitute from the real number. It gives 0 or more than 0. So 2x minus the whole square give what? 0 or more than 0. Okay. Still we didn't come to what is the given? The given is f of x equal to 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So I want to convert the function into the given function. So what is still I need? I need the entire x term. I have to add plus 3. So you can add both sides plus 3. So 2x minus 1 the whole square. I have to increase the 3. Then greater than or equal to 0 plus 3. Then it become a 2x minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 greater than or equal to 3. What is this? This is the question, f of x. So f of x is greater than or equal to 3. So from the conclusion what do we know? F of x is 3 more than 3. So from there I can able to come to conclusion what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 3. But I don't know what is the maximum value. That is the infinity. So you can use the word infinitive, otherwise you cannot be able to find maximum value. So minimum value is what? 3 because start from 3 greater than 3. The f of x is 3 and greater than 3. And then we have to find maximum values. The maximum of f of x is 3. We can able to identify it. When we are able to get 3. So instead of x, what we go and substitute, we can able to get what? 3. How to identify that? When we are able to get the minimum value. It's not a maximum value, sorry. The minimum of f of x is. So the minimum of f of x is 3. We don't know about maximum. When we are able to get 3, how to identify? Take the x term. Here x term is what? 2x minus 1. Substitute equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1 by 2. So instead of x substitute 1 by 2 the given function, it gives minimum value 3. But we don't know what is the maximum value because we take x from real number. So what is it giving input? According to the input, the maximum value is increasing. So this is infinity. So we can't find the maximum value. So minimum of f of x is at x equal to 1 by 2. When x equal to 1 by 2, it gives a minimum value. More than 3, you won't get what? Less than 3. So 3, more than 3 only you are going to get. The same function, how to find the answer in differential calculus, how to apply differential calculus to find the maximum value. Yes, I explained, you can follow any one method in exam. So they given f of x equal to 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Just to find f dash of x. So f dash of x, I go and differentiate one time. Here power 2 is there, so 2 into 2x minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1. And just reducing only the power, I go and differentiate inside also. So 2 into differentiate of x become a 1, constant term become a 0, plus differentiate of 3 become a 0, it's a constant term. So finally we have 2 into 2x minus 1 into 2. When you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8x, 2 2s are 4, minus 4. So f dash of x is what? 8x minus 4. Then you want to find x value, substitute f dash of x equal to 0. Then 8x minus 4 equal to 0. 8x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 8, x equal to 1 by 2. So we get here 1 by 2. So when x equal to 1 by 2, what is the maximum value or minimum value? Substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in f of x. So f of 1 by 2 equal to, so 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So 2 to eliminate, it become what? 1 minus 1 the whole square. So it become a 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So there is a minimum value. How to I am saying minimum value? Entire term become a 0 also. 0 plus 3, it gives what? 3. So there is only chance from 3, more than 3, I go and get the value for the given function. So maximum value is, the minimum value is 3. So we can't able to find the maximum value. Therefore, the minimum of f of x is 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. So maximum does not exceed, otherwise you can use the word infinitive. Anything you can write.